Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix battery drain on your Honor 600 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and open up the battery settings. So open up the settings. Now we're going to go over and click on the battery. And here we want to detect the apps with the highest usage. So here we have the battery usage. Now we got some Honor Home, we got some settings, and now we want to look for apps like 3D Mark, so we can click on launch settings and we can easily disable manage automatically and make sure that you disable all three of those options. And now this app won't run in the background. Here we can click on optimize in the battery. Of course, we can turn off the case as screen to disable AOD. To enable AOD, here we can disable background running apps and Bluetooth. So let's disable it. And now what are we gonna do is we're gonna go over and uninstall some bloatware. So to uninstall some bloatware, all you need to understand is what bloatware is. So bloatware is something like a all document reader or Candy Crush Saga. If you did not install this, if it was by default on your phone like Block Blast, like Vita Mahjong, then we want to uninstall it. This is bloatware that just comes pre-installed with the device. We don't want it because it only takes up our storage. And now what are we going to do is we're going to go over, after uninstalling the bloatware, we're going to install an app on our own. We're going to click on the Google Play Store, go to search, and search for AccuBattery. Here with the AccuBattery, we are trying to download the version made by Digibytes. Ignore any other apps. Make sure that you download the AccuBattery from Digibytes. It's less than 15 megabytes, so it should be a quick download, and soon we should click on open. So now we're clicking here, and as you guys can see, we can easily scroll down here. Let's click finish, and what we are interested in is simply the red errors issue. This one is because it's not running in the background, but we are mostly concerned about the issues with our battery. If there are none, then that's good, but if there are some things such as an error or just a bunch of multiple errors, I would recommend going into the authorized device service center. This is very important. And as a last resort, of course, restart the phone. So press the power button, volume up button, and tap on restart, tap again, and now it is restarting. So if the restart won't help, what you guys want to do is go over to the authorized service for your device, because there may be an error that user just cannot find. And that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.